Picture this. It is the end of a long, exhausting day. You finally sit down on the couch, finish the last episode of a streaming show, and immediately the perfect recommendation for what to watch next pops up on your screen. Or think about a more high-stakes moment. You're buying a coffee, and your phone buzzes. A text alert notifies you that a suspicious credit card charge from a country you have never visited was automatically blocked. Relief washes over you. Have you ever wondered who actually builds the hidden systems making these seamless protections and accurate recommendations possible? Enter the data scientist. They act as modern-day digital investigators. Instead of dusting for physical fingerprints, they analyze the complex trails of information we leave behind to find the meaningful patterns hidden in our daily lives. But instead of a magnifying glass, their investigation relies on advanced statistics, powerful machine learning, and computer programming. Their true power lies in taking a chaotic jumble of raw numbers and turning it into clear, useful information that organizations use to protect our money and keep us engaged in real time. To become this kind of digital investigator, you have to follow a specific path of study. The absolute foundation is mathematics and statistics. This is how a student learns to listen to the noise of raw information and spot the tiny, meaningful signals buried inside. By sweeping a mathematical grid across thousands of gray data points, professionals isolate a single outlier. Next, the investigator needs heavy machinery. That machinery is computer programming. It acts like a massive funnel, sorting raw information into neat, usable rows. With everything organized, they study machine learning. This is a way of writing software that learns from the past to spot trends and anticipate what might happen next. Mathematics and programming combine into a singular, powerful toolkit. Together, they allow data scientists to build systems that use past data to accurately forecast future needs and risks. But the job doesn't end at the computer. The investigator must eventually step into the boardroom. Finding a brilliant mathematical pattern doesn't matter if the investigator cannot explain what that discovery actually means to the people in charge. This requires excellent communication. They translate complex math into plain language, so managers and leaders understand exactly what the data means. They achieve this feat through data visualization, turning massive lists of numbers into clear charts and reports that help a company decide its next big move. Ultimately, a successful data scientist needs a strong sense of how a business actually works. They make sure their math leads to decisions that actually help the organization grow. We generate endless, growing rivers of information every single day. As the digital world expands, organizations have become entirely dependent on people who can make sense of this flood. This is why data science is so vital. It perfectly merges computer science, mathematics, and business strategy into one role. Because the world of information is always growing, these professionals spend their careers constantly learning and adapting to new ways of analyzing the world. For parents, this means that fostering a child's natural curiosity and building a strong math foundation today prepares them for a world that will only need these skills more as time goes on. Data scientists are the master builders of the digital age. They bring order to a chaotic world, using information to build a safer and smarter future.